Welcome back to Manna Home Design. Today, we're stepping inside a brilliant 320 square foot New York City apartment that proves small spaces can still feel bold, warm, and deeply personal. This tiny Brooklyn apartment is transformed with hand-painted murals, fearless color, and renter-friendly DIY, turning just 320 square feet into a creative, cozy home. If you're looking for small apartment decor ideas, New York City apartment inspiration, and smart design solutions for compact living, you're going to love this tour, so let's head inside. Before we start, if you love small apartment decor ideas, bold murals, and smart New York City living, hit like and subscribe. This channel is all about creative homes that make small spaces feel bigger. Living room mural, bold and energetic. The first thing you notice in this living room is the bold mural, a powerful statement that instantly defines the apartment's personality. With pink, orange, and pops of red, this wall creates energy, excitement, and a sense of creative freedom. Unlike linear murals, this design features organic shapes, soft curves, and expressive movement. The hand-painted mural transforms a small living room into an artistic focal point, proving that color-forward interiors can work beautifully in New York City apartments. This mural isn't designed to please everyone, it's designed to feel like home. In a compact space, personal expression through color becomes powerful, turning everyday mornings into moments of inspiration and making the living room feel alive. Bedroom mural, calm and harmonious. In contrast to the living room, the bedroom mural is intentionally calm and understated. Designed for rest, this small bedroom uses softer tones and a more minimal approach to create balance within the apartment. The mural is painted only on the lower half of the walls, creating a washed, relaxed look that complements a Moroccan rug brought home from travel. The wall color supports the rug instead of competing with it, preserving visual harmony. When the bedroom door stays open, as it often does in a small apartment, this mural ensures the rooms flow together seamlessly. It's a thoughtful example of cohesive interior design in a compact New York City rental. plus life balance. Designing a small apartment layout means making every area multitask. Here, the living room doubles as a workspace, dining area, and relaxation zone, without feeling cluttered or chaotic. The sofa sits centered in the room, with a drop-leaf table behind it acting as a desk. The kitchen remains accessible, while each zone feels intentional. This is smart space planning for modern apartment living. This layout proves that work-from-home living doesn't require a separate room. With the right furniture and flow, a tiny New York City apartment can support both productivity and comfort. Closet organization, IKEA custom build. Storage is critical in a 320 square foot apartment, and this custom IKEA closet system transforms one wall into a highly efficient storage solution. Clothes are organized by length, shoes stored below, accessories neatly displayed, and work supplies hidden in wire drawers. Even the printer has a pull-out shelf, blending home office storage with daily living needs. Peel and stick wallpaper inside the closets adds joy to everyday routines. This system proves that closet organization can be both functional and emotionally satisfying in a small space. Storage solutions, every nook used. In a small Brooklyn apartment, storage can't be an afterthought. Every nook, corner, and narrow gap becomes an opportunity for smart design. Slim storage units, a hidden storage ottoman, baskets, and bins provide space for bags, supplies, and daily essentials. Each piece is compact, movable, and renter-friendly. These small space storage solutions keep clutter under control while maintaining a clean, cozy aesthetic, proof that organization supports both function and peace of mind. Light fixtures and ceiling medallion. Lighting plays a major role in defining this apartment's personality. A statement ceiling light instantly draws the eye upward, creating visual impact in a small room. Paired with a decorative ceiling medallion, the fixture echoes the mural's organic shapes. The warm glow enhances brass accents and adds architectural interest without permanent changes. This renter-friendly lighting upgrade proves that small apartment design can still feel elevated, intentional, and expressive, without major renovation. Kitchen DIY, rental-friendly makeover. The kitchen started as the least inspiring space, but it became one of the most transformative DIY projects in the apartment. Using contact paper cabinets, a faux backsplash, and peel-and-stick wallpaper, the kitchen was completely refreshed. Painted wooden knobs tie the space back to the mural colors. These rental-friendly kitchen upgrades show how creativity, not construction, can turn a basic New York City kitchen into a space that feels custom and cohesive. small but bright. The bathroom may be small, but it's bright, clean, and thoughtfully styled to maximize function without clutter. A floating shelf stores extra towels, while labeled glass bottles create a streamlined countertop. These simple DIYs elevate the space instantly. This bathroom proves that tiny apartment bathrooms don't need major renovations, just smart styling and intentional organization. Warm and cozy, texture and personality. The overall style of this apartment is warm, colorful, and inviting, designed for real life, not just visual impact. Textured pillows, furry rugs, layered blankets, and brass hardware add depth and softness. These elements create comfort without overwhelming the space. In the end, this cozy small apartment is about connection, welcoming friends, relaxing on the couch, and feeling truly at home in a space that reflects joy, creativity, and warmth. If this 320 square foot New York City apartment inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves bold color and clever small space design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next apartment tour.